Welcome traders to the analysis of NASDAQ. Thanks for joining me in this analysis. On NASDAQ, we can see that market actually moved higher from these moving averages after hitting it during the coronavirus crisis. And since then, it hasn't actually looked back. There have been few corrections around major Fibonacci levels, and there have been little pullbacks. And that's how it actually works. If you look at the previous history, this is how it works. It goes into a little bit of correction, but then it starts to go higher. Similar move here, 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 and exactly what it is here. Now we can also see that when the correction comes, it is usually kind of like deep and sudden kind of correction, and it clears out the previous smaller candles. Here it has been able to clear a lot of candles here and in here as well. So at some point in time when there is a correction, it will actually clear out a lot of these candles somewhere around here, 8644. But that's little far-fetched because we haven't actually seen any kind of evidence of that so far in this move. So once the correction has started, then only we'll be able to see where the market is expected to go to. Now let's look at monthly time frame. On monthly time frame, we can see there has been a very nice V kind of correction, and then market has now started to overstretch itself. It is kind of like overbought right now, and a little bit of retracement is expected. Even if it wants to go higher, a retracement won't harm because a lot of pressure is building up for it to go down, and there'll be more buying opportunities when the price has actually come down. So what we're looking for is a reason to get involved. Now, because the market is overextended in this case, I'm not looking for any kind of long opportunity as of now. I'm looking for short opportunities. So if I bring back my original analysis, this is what we are looking for. We came up with this zone, and then market showed very good reductions to that zone, and we were expecting it to fall to this level of 10,023 and then fall down to 9,696, which confluences nicely with the previous structure as well. However, the market has overshot itself. Now one thing that I'll tell you, all of these analysis that we perform, they are performed on weekly time frame, right? So it's quite possible that market has come back, it has gone above the zone, but this zone is still valid. The reason behind that is because we are looking at the weekly time frame, and on weekly time frame, it is quite possible that next week or another week it can come back down into this zone or even below this zone. So I'm keeping this zone intact for now. I'm just going to remove this so far, and these moves will have to be reassessed depending on where the market starts to fall down. However, there is another bullish case actually. If the market actually comes into this zone and performs a successful retest, then we are looking for next level to be 11,751, and that's what we analyzed previously as well. But because there was so much of rejection here, I still believe that market can actually fall down once the market has failed this retest. So the bearish case is that market may come down, perform a retest, and then we can get a better opportunity to short this. And if that happens, then we are looking at this sort of level that we have, which is 2376, 23 6 Fibonacci level, followed by the next one, which is going to be around here, that conflicts nicely with the previous highs. So this, we have both bullish and bearish opportunities at the moment. Because the market has gone above the zone, we are looking at bullish opportunities for now, but we need to be aware of this zone. This zone is still valid. Now, this is what's happening on daily time frame. Market went through this zone and then fell back to retest it. But this retest is not over yet because we need to see a deeper correction into this zone and then probably a white candle going upwards. That's how the proper retest will be performed. One more thing is that there is a W structure forming right there, which basically means that market is expected to come to 113. It was expected to come to 113 because it has come to 50%, but it sometimes it overstretches itself to go to 127.2, and that's where it is falling from. So if this pattern is going to play out, then it's going to fall down into this zone next week. So it is expected to come down into this level of 10,909. That is quite possible, um, in terms of, like, next week targets. So that's my analysis on Nasdaq. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you found this useful. If you did, hit the like button. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this analysis and what is your opinion on Nasdaq. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.